Welcome to the R&R Show.
Welcome back to the R&R Show.
Hello.
We got a little car meet here in our hometown.
Every Friday, as long as the weather's nice.
So,
Take you around, check out some of these cars.
hell yeah.
Let's get a little more info on our own show.
All right. Well, there it is. You know this car. That's this guy.
Yeah. Well, it's for sale. It's not posted for sale, but if someone wants it, send us a message. We'll figure something out. It is a 2001 Z06. It's got a cam, bald eagle cam, everything to go with the cam, and speed engineering 1 7/8 inch, long tubes to 3-inch collector to 3-inch X pipe, and it stops somewhere before the axle. Since tails are not findable in 3-inch since the whole thing that's been going on for over a year. We won't talk about that. We don't talk about that on this channel. But since that happened, I haven't been able to find 3-inch tails. So that's how she sits.
Well, we already did it once at the car wash, but since we're here, go ahead. Tell us about your ride.
It's my 2008 350Z Nismo, number 1550 of 1613 made. Pretty much as the factory made it, aside from the raised Club Sport wheels, Nismo edition, wrapped in Nitto NT05 tires. Otherwise, that's how it came from the factory.
All right, and this one
This beauty.
This beauty right here. For those of you who don't know, this is our new project, Liability. It's a stock 2000 SN95 Mustang New Edge. It's got the V6.
She's got all the power.
All the power. It sounds good. It looks good. It is good. So
Fastest car in the fleet.
fastest car in the fleet for now. Hopefully these guys can catch up. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching the R&R show. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
And leave a comment. We want to read your comments. Let us know.
hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the R&R show shenanigans. Don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and Instagram. We'll see you next time.
Peace.
Peace.